Algebra 2, we have Explain 1, writing equivalent rational expressions. So given a rational expression, there are different ways to write an equivalent rational expression. So this is the same concept as an equivalent fraction. When common terms are divided out, the result is an equivalent but simplified expression. So this is simplifying, sometimes heard as reducing, but overall it is truly a simplified process of a fraction. So example 1, rewrite the expression as indicated. So A, write 3x divided by x plus 3 as an equivalent rational expression that has the denominator of x plus 3, x plus 5. So you have to kind of look at the denominator that we have, look at the denominator that they want us to have, and recognize what is being added or simplified out. The missing factor is our x plus 5. So we have to make this a common factor, and basically what's happening is our unit fraction, or also a fraction equal to 1, that we're multiplying by the numerator and the denominator evenly. So we're not changing the value of the fraction, we're just multiplying it by basically 1. And when you do so, that is its equivalent fraction. Or you could also distribute in the numerator if you wished. So simplify the expression. So here is kind of going to be a reverse. We're going to start simplifying our numerator and our denominator. So first write it, factor it, okay, and then start looking for things that can simplify out. We have our unit fraction 1 here, we have a unit fraction here, or common factors here. Now the important part is that this simplifies down to 1 times 1. So we actually have a 1 still in our numerator. And then what is left, scoot this up, in our denominator. Okay, so your turn. So write 5 divided by 5x minus 25 as the equivalent expression with the denominators of the difference of x and 5 and the sum of x and 1. So pause the video, do that now, and then we can check your work. Okay. So we factored out the 5. We then could say, okay, well, I can simplify my 5's up here and get that quantity. I want to have that in my denominator, so I need to add the unit fraction, or excuse me, multiply by the unit fraction of x plus 1 and x plus 1. And then I get my value, and I'm all finished. Okay, so simplify the expression. So go ahead and pause the video on the your turn and try this one. Alright, so first we're going to start factoring out what we can of our quantities and values of x. Factoring again, recognizing that 1 is technically a square, so this can actually be a difference of 2 squares. And let's scoot this up a bit more and simplify out your common factors or your unit fractions and get your answer.